Cervix.
Yeah, I know where. There's a market over there.
Punta tayo sa Villa Leticia.
Go to the
Villa Leticia project. Yan. Shout out kay Ma'am Christy Abuan. Ma'am
I bought
Christy
another house at
Abuan Hasan.
223.
Abu Hasan pala. Sorry. Let's go. Dito.
Okay.
Dito.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, so ayan, dito na tayo sa Villa Leticia Subdivision. Sige, let's go. Ayan, kasama natin si Sir Vic. Kamusta? Master. Ayun. Ceiling project, sir. Shout out to Ma'am Christy Abu Hasan. Let's take a picture with Madinoli, tara. Picture tayo.
Yeah.
Para makita yan sa site. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, pagano ba? 1, 2. Okay. Tara sa loob. So update na rin po natin to. Natapos na to sa taas, oh. Okay na. Wow. So yung 3D animation po nito nasa part 1 ng video natin. Let's go, sir. Living room. Ayan. This is master bedroom. Dining kitchen. Bisita tayo.
Nice case. I saw you in the Max vlog.
Dito dining kitchen tapos lanay. Let's go to sir? Bebads. High ceiling.
Yeah. Okay.
So yun na mga boss, ang ganda na, oh. So code design tapos shadow line din dito. Bisita tayo. May bisita tayo. Yan. Okay. Agalo ka man, camera ka man ko. Camera ta kami habang mag-vlog na.
I seldom see you do round design. One of the round designs that I see.
Sa big chandelier.
Yeah.
And shadow line. It's easy, it's
But
basic.
easy to clean. Chandelier.
No. It's difficult.
Then some more this space can be a room. But if it's a high ceiling, it looks nice. But you sacrifice the space here.
If you in the room.
It's very nice.
Wow.
Wow. Yes. I acknowledge this wow effect. But just like if let's say you need the space, right? For me, I will turn this into a room.
To save this space na. Tawanan ako ng Badinolis pag English.
Just smiling.
Room. This is a room of 2 kids.
Then this door jamb is
It's a
wood.
GI.
Oh,
And they painted to wood
metal.
texture.
Metal.
Yeah, metal.
Mm.
Like this.
Yeah,
Like this.
that's to prevent termites.
Nasa CR. Ito na room deck. This is room 1 and room 2.
Okay.
This is the laundry area. Storage room.
Storage room. Wow.
Babali natin yan. Babali na. Dito yan, babali na. This is the view. Nauna. So expensive. So they put they call that cementitious waterproofing. Before they tap concrete tap.
But the membrane one that you did for the other house is
In annulling project.
yes.
That is more expensive than like this. With the cementitious waterproofing.
The price difference between the membrane and what you're doing here is
The waterproofing membrane is 2,000 per square meter.
2,000 per square meter.
This is a per gallon is 3,000 plus per gallon.
That means will be 288,000.
Yeah. But it's the much better.
Yes. If I also would choose that.
I think real video.
Okay.
Okay, yan. Okay, so tara na. Hindi na tayo magtatagal dito para may mapasyalan pa tayong ano, diba? Sige! Let's go!
A few moments later.
Okay, so ayan, kasama natin doon kami si Sir Vic. Kasyal po natin siya dito sa project natin. Tara, saan? May tumitira na po rito mga boss. Ayan, no? Ayun. Ay, mga gamin. Bukso kayo lang. Bukso kayo lang. Makikita.
Hindi na makawayan. Hindi namin napapahayan. Bilis na natin hindi natutulugan ito.
There's no baby here, sir. Muna ka, Bads.
Ano po nata? Kaya na.
Paramid ng to balati balay. So cute. Just like a condo. Ano Mads? Ayan. Yan. Picture tayo ba? Picture para may pagkita ka di vlog.
Maraming nila tinutulugan ko.
Ibaga mo ba na ako nagyaganito, ibang ganyan. I-translate
There's no
mo.
one living here.
Huh?
Oo. Meron silang ano. Ibang bahay.
Once in a while.
Ito yung project
Go
natin
back
sa...
on this project.
Okay. Ayaw pa naman.
Yeah, see her, see him feel.
We will stay here once in a week. We will.
Oh,
Ayan.
Pero sumampot ni sermon ko nung next week. Sumamunti kami naman tuloy. Sumampot next week.
A few moments later.
Okay, dito na tayo. Kain muna tayo mga boss. Sige sir. Dito na kami. My father and my auntie. And my mother. Wala, umuwi na sila.
Kaya nga, nag-chat si ma'am.
Pag-ano nga, ready ka, kain tayo. Sit sir. Dito. Dito sir. Ito. Okay. Okay, sige. Ito.
oh.
Let's eat. Where's body knowledge? Bads! Yan! Bads! Kain tayo. Ayan. Humba. At ano? Kalderetang kambing. Ayan. Kain tayo. Ito isa, may sisig. Bads. This is pork. Sisig. We order in the restaurant.
Iniwalayan mo din si Twitch.
This one is caldereta, goat meat.
Oo, mahal ko. Naramdaman niya, pero hindi na totoo. Hindi mo talaga siya totoo. Mahal ko naman po siya. Pero hindi katulad.
Ayan.
My wife will tell you, like, you need to rush to the hospital.
Yes, yes.
Tapos na tayo kumain mga boss. Pinakain ko siya ng kambing. Goat. Goat, pork, and sisig. Okay, pasyal muna tayo dun sa par mga boss. Pakita natin kay sir.
A few moments later.
Dito na tayo. Nakarating si Sir Vic dito sa farm natin. Nilibot po natin yung ano, bisita natin dito sa farm. Pinakita po natin yung ano, mga yung lupa na binili namin dito noon. So ito parte pa rin ng angkan namin dito, kaya lang yung lupa namin ay tinda na namin. Ngayon binili na lang namin ito doon sa tito namin. Kami magkakapatid. So pinakita ko lang sa kanya kasi napapanood niya rin ito doon sa vlog natin, kaya ipinasyal ko na rin siya dito para makita niya ng personal. Mango. May ano, this is a mango of my brother. Let's go, sir.
Okay.
Tara. Pupunta tayo sa Aguilar Project. Okay, punta naman tayo sa Aguilar Project mga boss. Pakita natin yung natapos natin project doon. Yung katatapos lang.
Cat A small car.
Dati pa-share ko.
Cat B.
Foreigner,
Cat C
Singaporean.
is truck. Commercial
Kita
vehicle.
natabala iyo.
Motorbike.
Nakalugat ya.
Yes, ko ta nakal.
Then Cat E open Cat 105. So this is
Let's go inside, sir.
okay. If not, how long the
Yes.
That's why I'm sick and tired of this nonsense. That I decided to it's time to, if I can, I move off.
May asa balan na eh.
Ilan sir, nawarman ati balayan, no awanda, ay no, bagus mampet, aglinisan, pero nawandan, oh.
Yan, bumalik tayo rito para makita ni sir. Oh, ada mo motor ito eh.
Motor aja baru sa, breeder.
Car park.
Singapura aja sir, taga.
Singaporean.
Ah,
3 bedrooms, sir.
Mm.
3 bedrooms. This is the master bedroom. And this is the toilet and bath.
Oh, this is the workhouse.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, very nice.
There's no water.
Huh? No water?
No water. That is quartz.
Quartz. Mm.
More expensive than granite.
Oh.
And this is also expensive
Yes. This
music, glass music.
Glass music.
Tama.
sila mo ata sir.
Pagsilawan ito yata. Ano yung silaw natin, ma'am? Ay, mother. Ay, silaw na dyan.
Ay, ito?
One. Ay, dyan. Yeah. That, sir,
Oh.
the lights.
Then this flooring you do also?
Tiles, yes.
Oh, okay.
We built this and structural to finish.
Oh.
This is the
Well, I saw this house on YouTube. It's very nice. Okay. Really here.
this is room 1.
They haven't installed aircon yet.
For aircon.
Yeah, this one's for aircon.
This is room 2.
Mm. Okay.
Toilet and bath. Same in other room.
It's very nice.
Okay.
Wasted my father-in-law should come. Later, if you see my father-in-law's house, then you will know what's the difference.
Mother. Katugtugan niyo, Mother?
Sir,
Agdaring mo mga katugtog. Living room. Kulang dito, TV console.
Yeah.
There's no TV console.
So you will do for that?
I don't know, sir.
This one, put 155 or 65 inch. Very nice.
Ado pa ipashare ko ito, madam. Ano ka? Ayan. Tara na. Ayan, tara na. Let's go. Shoutout kay Sir Noel Poliosco. Ayan yung bahay nila, Sir Noel Poliosco.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so andito na tayo sa bahay nila Ma'am Sian Guzman. Ayan, kasama natin si Sir Vic. Yeah. Okay. Natin po natin siya rito sa ano bang. Malapit lang naman ito sa sa Santa Ignacia Tarlac. Halos lagi na kaming dumadaan dito. Lalo pag pupunta kami ng Dagupan.
My land stop until that wall there. Then this whole stretch until behind the pond. And on Saturday we are going to plant rice behind. So this is the wall that we are talking about. Then go straight is the land. Yeah.
Okay, so tara na mga boss. Sir,
Yeah.
thank you ah. Sige Uncle, thank you. Tara. Walang ka, nag-chat na lang talo ka. Sige Uncle. Thank you. Okay, tara na mga boss. Okay. Let's go. Uwi na tayo. Yan, nag-usap-usap lang po kami rito, kwentuhan lang. Tapos, yun, uwi na tayo. So, balik na lang po tayo sa susunod na mag-imbita po kasi sila may birthday rito. Tinawag po tayo. So, hintayin na lang po natin. So, bukas sana yun, kailang na-postpone kasi may hospital yun sabi ko kanina. Tara na, uwi na tayo.